video. That's why I'm wearing the jacket. And later I'm gonna make another video. So see you guys later. Bye bye. And if you wanna go here, you can just go, but it's kind of far and cold right here. So better bring jackets, or not you'll just freeze. Bye bye. Happy village, and there's a lot of special things here. Luckily my dad let me bring my scooter so I can play, but I'm not really sure if I can go up there to go with my scooter down. I'm scared because this is more bigger than you think. There is. So guys, if you slide, you just oof. So I only go there, not really high, but it still increased a lot. So I just used the brake. So guys, see you again. I'm standing here to introduce you guys to Mount Kinabalu. You might be thinking, why is there only breeze? Because the Mount Kinabalu, you can see if there's a thick breeze, because just now the breeze is thick and it's very cold here. That's why I'm making my hand like this. And the instant noodle and porridge is yummy. Arnab village, and later I will show you the picture of Arnab village, and this is my second time here. And also guys, you can do a lot of things here. There's a cat, there's cats, there's hamsters, there's bunnies. The most I favorite is bunnies and cats and hamsters because you can carry them. And also guys, it's getting hot now, so I'm not gonna make this very long, like just not at Happy Village. So bye guys. can't take the smell of the cow and goat right there just now. It just stink. It's like stinky. But one cow is so violent that he literally eat all of the grass when I give him. But the other cow eat is not everything, and I give the goat and the milk. So I give the goat. But the second time is so fussy to it.